In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete apps from your Wix website. If your site has apps you no longer use, removing them can tidy your dashboard, reduce clutter, and keep your site focused on what matters. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Wix account and that you've opened the dashboard for the correct site. It's also a good idea to consider how the app is being used. If it powers key features like forms, bookings, or chat, deleting it will remove those elements from your live site. If you might need any data the app stores, check it first and save what's important. From your site's dashboard, head to the left-hand menu and click on Apps. This takes you to the Manage Apps area where you'll see a list of all the apps currently installed on your site. Each entry typically shows the app's name, status, and a few quick options. Take a moment here to identify the exact app you want to remove so you don't accidentally uninstall a tool you still rely on. Next, find the app you want to remove and click the More App Actions icon. This is usually the three-dot menu to the right of the app's name. Clicking it opens a small menu with actions specific to that app. This menu is helpful because it keeps the most important controls in one place, and it ensures you're only making changes to the app you selected, not to your entire site. From that menu, click Delete App. Wix will begin removing the app and disconnecting it from your site. During this process, any sections, widgets, or pages that came with the app will no longer appear on your site, and its panel will disappear from your dashboard. If the app maintained its own data, that information may be removed or become inaccessible once the app is gone, so it's best to double-check any exports or reports you might need beforehand. If the app had a paid plan, review your billing separately to make sure you are not still subscribed outside of the Wix environment. After the deletion completes, the app will no longer appear in your Manage Apps list. Give your site a quick refresh and browse through a few key pages to confirm everything looks right and that no layouts were relying on the app's elements. If you ever change your mind, you can reinstall the app later from the Wix App Market and reconfigure it as needed. That's it. Quick, clean, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy building on Wix.